welcome to From the Bottle. This is Chef Jen. Today I'm gonna make a chocolate cassia chia pudding. You may have seen the vanilla chia puddings out there with fruit. This one sounded to me like a nice way to get my chocolate cravings taken care of for maybe a snack or dessert or even breakfast with fruit. But I always love adding cinnamon flavors to chocolate because I love that Mexican mocha flavor. So in this one, I'm using cassia. Let's check it out and see how it came out. So I have our chocolate chia seed pudding just out of the refrigerator. It's been in there for about 3 hours. It's already pretty thick. And I'm gonna try this guy. Oh yeah, that's gonna help with my chocolate cravings at night when I want a dessert when everybody else is having ice cream. I'm gonna let this sit a little bit longer in the fridge, maybe overnight, and I'll have this for probably 4 days. It's a nice little snack. There's no way I'm eating it all at once. It's very rich. So enjoy, and remember, that cassia was from the bottle.